My name is Ed Rios with Custom Trade Solutions. I've been a general contractor for over 30 years. I learned about T-Rex tape in the Contractor's magazine, and I wanted to see the quality of the tape versus what I've been using previously. You could tell the difference peeling back the T-Rex tape, how sticky it is. The adhesion is better. And once you put them down and you press down firmly, it holds up. The other ones, it doesn't matter what we do, they still peel off. We use it quite often, especially dust control. When you're working in a house and you don't want contamination going into the other rooms. Both our trucks are old. They both have over 220,000 miles on them. It's a lot of wear and tear on the trucks. We maintenance them. But the one thing that wears out is the driver's side seat. Anybody who's a contractor knows that seat gets worn out. Now, I had a friend of mine had the same problem. He went and spent $500 to have the seat recovered. I decided to use T-Rex tape on it, and we duct taped the seat back together, and it held. Well, on occasions we have to work on a roof, and we don't always carry rope in the truck. I know some contractors use extension cords. That's a very bad idea because it strains the cords and it can ruin them. So we decided to use the brute force tape. We doubled it up, tied it around our bucket of tools. We hoisted it up about 20 feet. I was surprised and impressed. The T-Rex tape held up. Treads, in the wintertime especially, they get a little slippery. We replaced both treads. The T-Rex still holding up, the other band already peeled off. You only have to have one tape in your truck, T-Rex. That performs everything else. It's superior, way superior.